I did not know where to go, but I sure found the first graffiti out there. It was not too far from the station, so I was lucky. In a place I've never been before. Just out of the station, the first one is a fact right there. But I'm gonna go to the forest one. That's how you get to discover cool stuff out here. Check out that night over there. Now that's the first piece of art. Check it out. I thought it would be much more beautiful. From here it looks like a cobra or whatever, a snake. Somebody's taking the venom out of there or something. Not sure. And just right there it is. This is a pretty impressive one. I can tell you that. That's a big one. Beautiful. This is where the tour starts. We go down this. This one is just across the theater. There you go. Pretty easy find. Kind of a steampunk kitchen. I don't know. Crazy. I like that. This is a pretty close one from the last one. I like it. I dig it. And bricks seem to be black, all black, so that's even better for the bugs with them oranges. A lot of oranges in there. Plus, it's cool that the leaves are like the tree, you know. Those leaves are grown. Just, it belongs to everything right there. There's a little butterfly up there. Hope you can see the butterfly. Beautiful church right there. Now this is a pretty big one. Like real big. Well, a lot of focus. Now, I didn't know where this was going, but it looks pretty cool to me. Looks like it's going to go under the station and all of that.
Let's go.
So I'm going to translate for y'all, which means in the heart of every winter, there's a shaky spring living. Now, we almost escaped from everyday drama, right? But unfortunately, these characters, letters right here, have been burned off. I don't know why, but again, another example. Well, and here's the other side of town. That girl probably is living during COVID. That's probably a COVID era. I don't know about the mask and all. That mask is pretty cool. The one on top. Oh, there's a lot of masks and stuff. There you go. Robotics and all of that. Yeah. Right before leaving the place, I found this. Girl listening to music, but the old man listening to music. Oh yeah, they both listen to music. That's kind of cool. And this hidden little treasure right here, at least for me, didn't see it before. Like a totem. Check it out from up close. Yeah, that's pretty beautiful. Straight up art, man. And another one right up there. Wow, found another one. Whoa, check out this gentleman right here. Just found another one. Ain't that a cool one? And another one over there. Okay, man, so I think this is it. Signing off, you know, signing out, saying goodbye and peace from this thing right here. This was Heerlen. Till next time, friends. Goodbye.